In today's video, I'm going to explain everything you need to know about the Profit Maximizer Indicator, commonly referred to as PMax. Developed by Kivanc Ozbilgic, this indicator is designed to help you ride market trends for as long as possible, while providing dynamic, volatility-adjusted trailing stop levels to protect your positions. If you struggle with exiting trades too early or too late, this tool offers a structured, visual way to follow the trend. To add this to your chart, open Tradingview, head up to the Indicators tab at the top of your interface and search for Profit Maximizer by Kivanc Ozbilgic. Click on it to add it directly to your active chart. Conceptually, PMax is a hybrid trend-following tool that combines the smoothing power of a moving average with the volatility measuring capability of the average true range, or ATR. The problem it solves is market noise. Traditional moving average crossovers can produce false signals in choppy markets, and static stop losses do not adapt to changing market conditions. PMax solves this by creating a buffer zone around your moving average that expands and contracts based on current market volatility, keeping you in the prevailing trend. Let's look at how it works under the hood. The indicator starts by calculating a moving average based on the price. It then calculates the ATR, which measures the average size of price movements over a set number of periods. Next, it multiplies that ATR by a specific factor to create a distance buffer. In an uptrend, it subtracts this buffer from the moving average to form a lower boundary. In a downtrend, it adds the buffer to the moving average to form an upper boundary. This boundary is the PMax line. The script has built-in logic ensuring that in an uptrend, the PMax line can only move up or stay flat. It never drops until the moving average actually crosses below it, at which point the trend flips. Using the indicator on your chart is very straightforward. When you look at the tool, you will see your selected moving average line and the solid PMax line. When the moving average crosses above the PMax line, a buy label is plotted, and the area between the lines turns green, signaling a confirmed uptrend. Conversely, when the moving average crosses below the PMax line, a sell label appears, and the highlighting turns red, indicating a downtrend. You can use the PMax line as a visual trailing stop loss. As long as the moving average or price remains on the correct side of the PMax line, the trend remains intact.
Finally, let's look at the settings. You have complete control over the indicator's behavior. You can change the moving average type, choosing from options like EMA, SMA, volume-weighted, or zero-lag EMAs, and adjust its length. You can also modify the ATR length and ATR multiplier to make the indicator more or less sensitive to volatility. A higher multiplier gives the trend more room to breathe, while a lower one tightens your trailing stop. That wraps up our breakdown of the Profit Maximizer. What is your favorite moving average type to use when tracking trends? Let me know in the comments below. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more Tradingview indicator breakdowns.